Hello and welcome to another tutorial. My name is Mike and today I want to show you how to install the Atavism Server on the Amazon services. For this issue I made me a new account on the Amazon because I didn't use it before in my life, and now I want to show you how you're starting from the scratch on. The first test what I did, just for information, I did it in Origin, USA. But my location is Europe, so I have a very slow connectivity to the server. The second one is what I want to show you is with the Ubuntu 16, but I find out it's not possible to install the databases from the Atavism without changes. Why? At this server it's installed the SQL 5.7. and they are changing something about the timestamps. This is what I find out. I tried to make the database just with copy and paste from the install files, and they are complaining me about the creation. And there's many issues if you will search in the internet for this one, but I guess I want to report this one for the future for the Atavism server. So that's why we will start a new instance with the older version, Ubuntu 14. This one, okay, next step, it's okay. Storage is okay also, text we don't need. This is a very important thing if you're starting the Linux system without a wizard. Here you can see it's only allowed the SSH, nothing else. So you can install the Apache, don't worry, it's nothing, it doesn't work. That's the point. So the only thing what I miss is the key. Here I can create a new one. This is what I want to show you. I make a new key. I will download the key and then I'll show you how you have to handle it. So this system will be created now. This one I will shut down now. We don't need any more. So that's it. Yes, disconnected. It's okay. The system is created very fast. So I have already my IP address. Sorry. I can prepare the connectivities. It's necessary to installation the Putty generator, so you can load the key. We download it here and we save the private key. I will give him the name new key pp. That's it. Start Putty, make a new connectivity. Under the SSH authority, load this key, and I will save this session for the future. So this is stopped. I can terminate it later, so then they will delete it and this is up and running. Just connect to the server. Ubuntu is the user. It's no root allowed. So here we go. This system is new. So we will starting with the installation. First the Apache. In this case, it's necessary to use the sudo command lines because the root, I don't know the root password. Installation MySQL. Make update first, it's very important. So we will try the SQL server again. Yeah, it's 5.5. So we can use it. I guess this timestamp issue, it's changed on 5.6. So we can try to connect to the Apache because the firewall is installed. Nothing will be happens. So the next one is PHP admin. Again on Apache, of course. And then additional the Webmin for administration of server. For this case it's not necessary because we don't need the turtle firewall, because the Amazon, they have their own firewall system. So we can configure it on the web page. Just confirm. So download the Webmin, installation Webmin. Just complaining about the updates, so just force it with -F. I will prepare the Webmin page. Webmin is installed, and the guy said he used this one, but this is the internal side. I guess it's not working, so that's why I'm using here now the IP address with the port 10,000. And of course we need the HTTPS protocol. It's not working. Firewall issue. Okay, I'll make a new one. Feel free. All traffic goes to our server, inbound and also outbound. All open. So I guess that's it. We will change the security group because you can see here it's the wrong group. So network change security, feel free. That's our new group. Let's try reconnect. Here we go. Root. This will be not working because they have our own user and we don't know the password, so that's why we will change the password. Okay, so let's find out where the command is. Here. Okay, so we can log in now. Okay, here the same issue. You can change the system. This makes really fun because it's so near the server in Frankfurt. I like. So, okay, for our scenario it's not necessary, but maybe you like this one, so just feel free to use. And also we need the PHP myadmin. It's already installed. If I can type, so I will change to English. And here we go. So far so good. So the next step is we will transfer the files to the server. So the IP address Ubuntu is the user, protocol is SDP, and we need also the authorization file. I will save. So we will take the time to install the unzip, I'm sorry. And we need a DOS to Unix for later. DOS. Yeah, I'm sorry. It's late. I'm tired, so long day today. So here we go. Downloads, then Atavism zip, upload. So upload is done. We will unzip the server. We will go in the server and we start now with the adding the databases. Access denied, of course, no user. Yeah, it works now. With Ubuntu 16 and the SQL 5.7 it doesn't work. It's not very funny. So, but I will tell him this to the developer. I'm really sure he will fix it. So that's it. Again, Webmin, no Webmin, this one. New user. Any host. Passwords. Sample one for the video. Edit the privileges for the databases. Grant access again. Same game. So this one. I hope I add everything. I will check admin Atavism master and word content. Looks nice. Okay. Also you can check it here with the login. Game server user. Oh. Time to sleep. I will change the password, it's better. So. Okay, I will try. What's wrong? I made a wrong name of the user. Game. Oh. It's really awesome. Game. I missed the E. Don't worry, okay. Copy and paste. That's why always is nice. You make checks. After, if the configuration is done with the server and then you have no connectivity and then you're asking why it's not working. So, here we go. First, what we need is the out property. We need the public name of the server. Very long, this name. Not really. That's it. Second one is the words property. Here, don't forget your private email address and the registration key of the server. Just double check there is no local host somewhere. Otherwise you cannot work properly. So I guess that's it. Yes, here it's false. So that means we don't need if it's in the same machine. I will do a little break because I need my own data. So I'm done. What we need is change mod. This one, and again, because it's Ubuntu, here the bash. Okay, so Firewall at the moment it's down, so we can try without, just to make sure it works. Oh, the Java. I forgot to install. Oh yeah, my fault. So second try. Oh, this looks nice. This is the first time. This needs a while. So we can prepare our Unity project. Just put here the master server. Check the log files. They have a connectivity. Connection refused. Wait, I will start again. Starting the word server. Just try to connect. So the authentication server is the first thing we can use with some rubbish. Failure. Okay, there's some issue. No. Okay, I will stop. Maybe I forgot here. Somewhere. Ah, we forgot the MySQL. Yeah, they will allow only internal. We need external. And here we need the internal IP address. Just restart. So here, listening. So this means now he's listening the authentication, invalid username and password. So we can register now. So the account is created. We can check it also in the database. Yeah. But we can't log in because there's no word server. So we will start now the word server. And here we have to wait for the final message. The message is here, so we can log in. Here we go. So we have to do now the next step and the last step, the firewalling. We will change the security group. It's the field free one. For the issues. So the first is what we need, of course, is our HTTP. Then the SSH. The MySQL. We will customize this one. The port, we can check it in the config file. This is the minimum what we need. And now the Atavism Server IP address, TCP and UDP. And this is, I guess, your problem because you can't connect to your server. What you wrote me in the board. Just make sure both protocols are enabled, because some ports I told you last time in the video, there is UDP and sometimes there is TCP. This is the secret. So that's it. So just for you believe me, you can see here the SSH, it's working. I will change. I will delete here inbounds, save, and you can see we are disconnected. I didn't change the outbounds because at the moment everything allowed is outside, but not everything is inside. For the moment it's okay, but of course you can change it also. But here, no connectivity anymore. I can do a new session. No chance, we are disconnected now. So you can see it works, and I'm not lying. It's live. Again, enable. And we will try a new session. Here we go. Okay, this is the point, everything it works. We will try it here. If this works, the firewall works. So login, authentication, word server is there. Here we go. This is the server with Amazon, with firewalling, same issue. Just keep in mind the MySQL server version. If you like, I can show you also in SUSE or Red Hat or whatever. I mean, it's all the time the same issue. I hope you enjoy this, and I hope you have a little idea what is wrong with your server for the future, and we see us.